The Odisha government has officially postponed the reopening of schools from June 18 to June 20, considering prevailing high temperature and monsoon transition. It has also directed authorities to serve midday meals to students from day 1. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was today conferred with the Grand Cross of the Order of Macarius III, the highest civilian honor of Cyprus. Expressing gratitude for the honor, PM Modi termed the honor as a tribute to the 140 crore Indians. India batter Karun Nair has made a shocking revelation that a prominent Indian cricketer advised him to retire and shift focus entirely to T20 leagues to ensure financial stability. The 33-year-old made his Test debut against England in 2016 and scored unbeaten 303 in his third Test in Chennai. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to visit Odisha on June 20, marking the first anniversary of the BJP-led government in the state. On his arrival at 3:40 p.m., Modi will participate in a roadshow and then address a public gathering at Janta Maidan at 4:30 p.m. He will return to Delhi in the evening. An official notification was issued today for conducting the population census in the country. The census, which will also include caste details, will be conducted in 2 phases. The first phase will cover the Union territories of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh and the 2 hilly states, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, beginning on October 1st, 2026. The second phase will kick off on March 1st, 2027. The monsoon is set to intensify across Odisha due to a cyclonic circulation over the northern Bay of Bengal. The India Meteorological Department has predicted light to moderate showers today, with heavy rainfall expected between June 16 to June 19. Today, Puri mourned the passing away of Ranarnav Dev, the younger brother of Puri Gajpati Maharaj Divya Singh Dev. He breathed his last on Sunday night at the age of 67 after battling a prolonged illness. He was popularly known as Thotta Raja. The cholera and diarrhea outbreak in Jajpur district has intensified, with the death toll rising to 7 and 258 individuals undergoing treatment. While a 14-member central team is conducting an investigation, the health minister visited the district yesterday and the health secretary took stock of the situation today. A devastating fire broke out at a busy marketplace in the Kiritpur area of South Kolkata, West Bengal this morning, gutting over 1,300 shops. No casualties have been reported so far.